Boom.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news.
Crypto.XL. All right, guys. All right, so the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. More importantly, or more recently, the Ethereum ETF, which is scheduled to launch tomorrow, really soon. I believe that this is going to be a catalyst for the market. It could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, so expect some volatility. So it could be initial dump, right? When I say dump, not as much of a dump as everyone feels that it's going to be. Like, it's going to look like a wick down. It's going to put some more fear into the market, change the fear and greed index, and skew it more towards less to neutral and more towards fear. And after that happens, I believe the wick will be eaten up. But what's more important is the long-term effects of the Ethereum ETF. This is going to be very good for the market. It's going to garner more interest for crypto in general, for Ethereum directly. And as a consequence, the altcoins are going to do really well. So we're in the summer months, right? And usually in the markets, people take vacations in the summer months. They go on vacation, they're at the beach, they're at the pool, they're at parties, they're having a good time. So they're not really paying attention to the markets as much as they used to, right? So that's the reason why things were kind of sideways for a while. Now, soldiers like us, we take advantage of the opportunity. People were selling during the warmer months, and we were buying, we were accumulating. And that is going to set us up for the fall. So I think we're going to have a tremendous fall. And I think that Q4 of 2024 is going to be phenomenal because we've been accumulating. All right. And then there's also Solana, right? So there's news of a Solana ETF, or should I say there's applications for Solana ETFs. So do remember, it's been about a year I've been saying how things were going to play out, how I believe things were going to play out. And it seems like things are playing out that way. It's a bunch of dominoes falling in line here. Because we have many Bitcoin ETFs that's been propping up the market and stopping it from falling down as heavy as it would have fallen if they were not here. Then we have the Ethereum ETF, which is about to launch, which is going to prop up Ethereum, pump Ethereum, and more importantly, pump the altcoins that we care about. The altcoins are going to have an extended pump because of this. It's just really a matter of time. So right now, it's really playing the waiting game and making sure that we have our positions correctly, because once we have our positions, then we will reap the benefits from the sunlight, from the rays from Ethereum, right? We'll all experience growth. And now let's move on to the Solana ETF, because that's the next one after Ethereum. Once the Solana ETF hits, when it gets passed, because I'm speaking ahead of myself, but once that gets passed, that's going to be a tremendous catalyst also, right? And then you also have to look at the effects of the Trump presidency. That is now the next thing that is on the table. We expect that to be very good for the market. It already is, and it's just going to get better. Let's talk time periods, right? Time horizons, time periods. Okay. First, Bitcoin runs, right? Bitcoin ends up breaking 80K, in the 80s, has a pullback, and then it continues to run. After Bitcoin runs and heads towards that territory, of course, Ethereum, Solana, those coins are running. The large caps start to run. The tiny small caps that we've been investing in start going bananas. Even though they're going bananas, that's really not the real rocket ship part. Boom. All right. So I was talking about Bitcoin runs, then Ethereum runs, Solana goes ballistic, right? Starts doing 100%, right? This point, the meme coins and the altcoins on Solana start doing 300, 400%, start going crazy, right? Or altcoins, or micro cap, low cap altcoins start doing the 300, 400% thing, starts going completely haywire. Then we have a pullback, because nothing goes up in a straight line. We have a pullback, but this pullback doesn't bring us back to where we are now, right? And then heading into Q4 2025, heading into Q4 2024, Q4 2025, that's where you're getting the 15, 20x, 25x, ridiculous kind of numbers. That's when it starts popping off. So this is a hypothetical scenario for what could happen in the future, in the near-term future. Do remember that it does not take into account any event that is unpredictable. Any unpredictable event, like maybe concerning the presidency or the elections in the United States. It doesn't concern any shock to the market, any attack or anything that could happen in the future, or anything positive that could happen in the future. But what I will say is, like, the setup that we have right now is very, very good for assets in general. It's fantastic for risk assets, in particular crypto, and in particular the low cap and micro cap altcoins that I cover on this channel. We have a VP that's coming in that owns Bitcoin, actually has skin in the game. Should the Republicans win office, we don't know that for sure. It just seems like that's the way it's going right now. We know that the Democrats are still looking for their pick. It looks like currently Kamala Harris is going to be the pick, but I believe that, again, it's smoke and mirrors, that they'll politicians will tell you something, and then once you see what they do, then you understand what it really is. Then you understand what the plan was all along. So we will see. But regardless of who takes office, crypto is inevitable, because if you're trying to fight technology, you're fighting a losing battle. You're not going to win that one. Technology is always going to win. Whatever is the quickest, most efficient way of doing something, that is what's going to win in the long run. So you want to be on the right side of history. And congratulations to you if you've been paying attention and if you've been accumulating. Because I do believe that life-changing gains are in the future and on the table and in the cards. Nothing I'm saying is financial advice. That's my opinion. I'm just an observer, and this is for entertainment and educational purposes. If you need financial advice, consult a financial advisor, because I'm definitely not one. So we see how things are playing out, how things are being set up, and everything's falling into place, just like we've predicted over a year ago on this channel. I've called multiple small cap altcoins, multiple 30 and 40Xs in the past, and we're going to keep this train running. I think within the near future, for me, the near future, I consider like the next few months, I consider that the near future, right? And I'm patient enough to wait. I'm patient enough to wait a year and a half. I'm that patient. But it's not even going to take that long before we see the fireworks. Everything is set up so perfectly. It's like a trail of lighter fluid leading right to the dynamite. And we're going to have one heck of a show coming up. There's going to be fireworks. We're heading straight into September, October of this year with the best setup possible. The Feds, at some point, they're going to be lowering interest rates this year. The governments, at some point, they're going to be giving the citizens stimulus packages, child care tax credit packages, reduction on first-time home buyer packages. They're going to be injecting the economy with funds this year. We're about to see a monumental explosion in risk assets. And have you been paying attention? And if you had the courage and if you have been taking action, I think that you will be rewarded. Do realize that the field that we're in and the assets that we're invested in are super duper high risk. And my channel is going for the goal. It's going for outsized returns in a small amount of time, using some level of risk management, some level of analysis and intelligence, right? We don't aim to get everything right. That's not my aim. That was never my aim. I will actually tell you that I'm surprised with the amount of things that just happen to fall right in line, like just straight right in line. Yeah, and there is risk, right? There is risk, because if you look at what recently happened with that assassination attempt, if it turned out the wrong way, the markets could have completely collapsed. We were just lucky that it didn't turn out the wrong way, right? We were lucky that it didn't go the other way. But if it did turn out the other way, if it turned out the wrong way, would we have been able to buy that dip? Would we have had the courage to still accumulate in uncertain times? What I would say about that is I primarily follow the charts, right? So if we had a massive wick to the downside, and that's what I would consider it a massive wick to the downside, I would still consider that a buying opportunity. So until the bull market's over, I'm looking at these wicks. I'm looking at these crashes, the FUD events, the fear events as buying opportunities. But that's what I have for you today. I will see you at the top. This is Crypto.XL, and I will catch you guys at the top. Take care. All right, so what do we do from now heading into 2025? Wait, and accumulate. Accumulate on the wicks down. Not financial advice. That's what I'm interested in doing. By now, our bags should be packed. We should be ready. And should we have some catastrophic dips, you know, probably accumulated at those points. But it's going to be interesting, right? Because we're heading into Q4 2024. That's not really that far away from here. If you look at it, July is almost over, right? Then you have August, then September, and these months are probably slightly up, sideways, and up because of all of these ETFs. That's why, because of the ETFs. Then you have October. October is a very good chance that it turns into October. That we go Wojak on a lightning bolt in October. It's actually likely that happens, right? By November, what do you think the price of Solana is going to be by November? That will be interesting. December, January, all these little tiny altcoins that I talk about. What do you think they're going to do by January 2025? Yep, just wait. Wait and appreciate. And then congratulate. Catch you at the top.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news.